Oh my god, they smell just like Honey Nut Cheerios. It's a no. Yeah, no. Prop you up, sucker. All right, so we are not back in business yet with a tripod for my car. I don't know what happened, but basically it stopped working. So we are on our way to get our nails done because they look like this. I have one nail here that's like literally cracked, and apparently it's going around right now that your toenail cracks. I don't know what that is, but that's what's happening with mine. So I'm gonna go get my nails done, my toes done. I haven't done this in a while, so this is gonna be like maintenance vlog style kind of thing, or part of maintenance vlog. Then I got some stuff I just picked up that I want to try on, so maybe we'll do like try on as well. But I gotta do my makeup and stuff and my hair. This is probably gonna be the last few days that you're gonna see my hair like this, because I'm gonna get my hair redone. So yeah, let me get inside of here. Excuse me, let me get inside of here because yeah, I gotta go. All right, bye. Happy Saturday. Saturday, we're on our way to Ikea. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. We have to find furniture for the baby, so we're gonna look for that. But also I want to get this shelving stuff. So I'll take you with me in Ikea and let's look around. I love Ikea. It's, I don't know, it's so aesthetically nice looking, but yeah. Guys, this is the last week you're gonna see me with these braids. I should have taken them out yesterday and I didn't, but the last week. It's just they're holding on for dear life. Dear life, all right? But I'll see you guys when we get to Ikea. We're on our way there now. I like this right here. If we had the space for it, I would like that for sure. Let's see if I can find the bookshelf thing that I'm looking for. $2.75. Only problem with IKEA furniture, you gotta put it all together or pay somebody to do it.
I mean, I can put it together. I don't necessarily enjoy it.
But this might be too far out.
And a bed, maybe.
For who? For Janice's room? Sit in there. I love this. I love this whole area. I love the mud room. I want one of these in our house still bad. Manifesting it. I actually like this green kitchen, and I don't think I would, but I do. I like the dark with the white. Do you like this? The kitchen color? No, we only have 4 minutes on my so cute. We have the whole, and it's not high, like so.
$300.
So cute.
Same place. Same size.
Oh, okay, I see. Hey, cool. Happy Saturday. So I was supposed to clean my beauty room, but I guess I'll save that for another day. And my battery's gonna die. Always. But I did this wig install today. I've been literally editing all day long. And I will do a collective haul soon because if you see this shirt, it's so cute. It's from Zara, but my battery's gonna die in like 30 seconds. So I just did this wig install today. I have been editing since 12:30 and it is now like 6:30. So 6 hours of editing this video. It's been crazy, but it'll be worth it at the end. So let me go. I gotta change my battery up, and I just wanted to come on the vlog because anytime I look cute, I feel like I need y'all to see me. So yeah, shout out to Love Me Hair. By the time you see this video, it'll be up. They are the ones that gave me this wig. This is a closure wig 4x4, and it looks so freaking good. Hey guys, all right, so we're in Target and doing random stuff that we don't need to do. Actually, no, we're making tacos tonight, so that's actually why we're here. But we are going to go look at some furniture stuff, I guess, and I'm bringing you guys with me. And they have these cereal candles that I want to find out about, so let's do that together. I love Target, so great. But yeah, so I'm actually redoing my bathroom. You know what, niece? If I find a basket for the back of the toilet, if I find a basket, let's go down this aisle. For like the back of the toilet to put like toilet paper and stuff on. I don't know if I will, but if I do. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to find that, but I don't know if I will be able to. I like this song. So let me go. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. My current area is so, like, look at this. Even though we don't eat sugar. So nice over here. I know, that's the only problem. Salted honey. That smells pretty good. That salted honey smells good too.
Salted honey?
Yeah. Both of them smell good. I want to see if they have this couch thing. Like this pillowy couch. Thank you. Like one of these. This is cute. I love this couch. We're trying to redo our bedroom and like a sitting area. This is cute. But I don't know if it's that one or this one's pretty nice. Our bedroom. This one's nice. I like this too. It's just this one. 180? Absolutely not. Do you like this for me and your dad's the like area where it's like a reading nook where that chair is? I want to get rid of that chair and put like 2 little sitting chairs.
I like that.
Right?
That reminds me of Dara.
First of all, it's ridiculously comfortable and it's not super low. Feel how comfortable that is. It's ridiculous, honestly.
Oh, it is.
Right? Yeah, I definitely.
It reminds me of Dara's.
Yeah, it's like a popular couch right now. I know that, so. Let's see. Let's go look at the candles. I do need some artwork for the bathroom too, but I don't know what kind of artwork I'll get, so. Candles over here. Your dad is probably like, where are y'all? Over here, baby, over here. They do have them. They have cereal candles, y'all. Oh my God, they smell just like Honey Nut Cheerios. It's a no. I don't know. I can't smell this one.
I like this.
What? Bourbon? That one, this one kind of smells good.
This smells really good.
Just smell the Lucky Charms. You like that? It smells like molasses.
That smells good. I wish it
Right,
looked
why you-
like that on the outside.
They didn't do a good job with the,
But I like this.
but why can't I smell this one? What did y'all do? Why'd y'all close the strap?
I actually really like this bourbon pumpkin.
Now we're talking these. Wait, they don't have a small one of those? Oh, this smells pretty good. Like if you think of something for the bathroom, like a cute small candle. No, I don't like this.
I don't like it.
Pumpkin pancakes. Probably not for the bathroom.
Maybe.
Pumpkin
Why not?
pancakes.
I feel like it depends on how it smells. If it smells too foody, then no.
It's very sweet. It's really sweet.
Yeah, but it's not like foody.
Yeah, but I don't know.
I can't even really smell this.
See. Yeah, no.
Faint.
This is nice. $10.50. Is it a wood wick? No. Is it? No. This is nice, but it's too big for the bathroom. I'm trying to find like a small.
I actually like the way this smells a lot. It smells like
It smells like soft and like.
cologne.
Yeah, that's why I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, your dad's probably calling me. I feel my bag.
Pumpkin spice donuts. Good Cocoa Pebbles. They probably smell really good.
Yo, we're on our way to Target. Every time I try to vlog on my camera, battery exhausted. Why? Every single time. Don't even make sense. But this is where you're gonna get today and all of my glory, all of my natural beauty. No lashes, no makeup, just lip gloss and good vibes. I don't even know what we're getting at Target, but I know that I need to get some coffee. And you see the bags under my eyes? I'm tired. I can adapt. But anyway, I don't know. Just came here randomly to talk to y'all for no reason. But I'll get back to you when I have something else to talk to you. So good.
I'm finally back.
You ever just want to like get away? Get away. So let me show you guys. Ooh. Anyway, I went to, oh, this is something different. I went to Zara like last week, last vlog, and I bought this package. So I plan on trying this stuff on, maybe not today, but tomorrow. The shirt that I wore in my last vlog, you will be able to see that too. And I went to ahjyY, which I've never been in, and it was such a cute store. And I'll put that on like the side. I set up my room again. It looks a mess, but let me show you guys the new setup. So this setup, I mean, let's get over here. This, I gotta put way close. That's where my iron normally is. I gotta move this plant, but you see how like the mirrors here? We want to redo this whole bedroom. Like the whole bedroom is about to get redone, but I just wanted to come on to you guys, say hi, and I'm gonna be doing like my bathroom over. So master bathroom's probably be done this weekend. I'm gonna show you guys my ahjyY Zara haul, like my quick try on, but I'll make it as a part of the vlog. And I have so many ideas and I just haven't done them, so I'm gonna start doing them because I don't know what's taking me so long, but I gotta re-clean my beauty room. We're going out on Saturday, so tomorrow I'll probably wash a wig. I don't know. I feel like I kind of want to wear crimps because I haven't worn crimps in a long time, and I saw my hair with crimps one time, and I was like, this looks so good. Or redo this hair and wear half up, half down because this is like, has to get redone for sure. Yeah, skincare routine, bathroom redo. I got mad ideas. So just come in and vlog, say hey, and I'll be back because I gotta figure out what's going on with Jonathan. Happy Friday, wonderful people. I washed my robe and I got makeup. I don't know if you can see that. I gotta like shout that out, so we're gonna ignore that. But yeah, today's Friday. I have nothing to do today, which I'm grateful for. But I do have some stuff to do actually. I gotta do a little bit of stuff for work this morning, and then after that, that's really it. I'm about to make myself some coffee. My lips are dry, sorry. I feel like I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod because I don't want to walk around like this. I'm making Jonathan some toaster strudels. He's not going to school today. Bye. I'm making myself some coffee. Hope you guys had a good restful night. I'm very hungry. Like some mornings I wake up and I'm okay. But today is like one of those mornings where I woke up and I'm like, I am starving. I don't know why. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, is that good, guys? I don't know. My hair's looking crazy. It was cuter before. I should have just left it alone. But let me start making my coffee. I'll show you guys what I'm doing for my coffee. I think I made it like this caramel thing that I've been seeing with the caramel drizzle all over TikTok. That was not it. I don't know who. It's too sweet. If you don't drink sweet coffee, don't have that. But let me get myself together with some coffee. Yeah, no. Did y'all see that? I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that stuff pop out the top, but that's my coffee. I'll link all this down below actually, because this all is everything is from Amazon, from the top of the lid until the cup straw. So let me go get the baby together. I'll be back. Y'all, we're about to leave, but my pants are not pantsing, so I gotta change them. And that's so annoying because I was so cute with this outfit. I went from dressy to casual real quick. So I just have on this white bodysuit. I don't know where this is from. And these jeans. And I'm just going to throw on my, I don't even know what shoes I'm going to put on. My Christian Dior's. And then that's it. Because we're already running late. Did I put deodorant on? Time check, 7:24. We got 6 minutes. Scent of the night. This one. I don't even have any lip gloss on or nothing. I mean, lipstick. I got a gloss on. We going with it. So that bag is Kate Spade. Boss Body. And it's pretty casual. I thought it was gonna be more, but it's not. It's fine. I was about to say. You ready? Yeah. And we're out. This hair is everything. Got lotion my feet, babes. Ow. Okay. Y'all. It's the rush for me. Why am I always rushing? I got ready so long ago and then it never works out for me, hun. It never does. All right, well, we'll see you guys later. Oh, do I have my phone? No, all over the place. I literally left my phone in the house. Why does my hair look so phenomenal today? These wand curls with this, with the like bangs in the front. I thought I was gonna have to get rid of this wig. Nope, not at all. I want to make sure that kind of flows a little bit better, but this side looks great. This side, I'm still trying to make it look great.